Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. If you are new, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload. In this video, all I will be doing is showing you guys how to get the messy look from Bonita Locs. If you guys don't know who she is, I will leave the link to her videos down below. I'm basically just going to be showing you guys how to get the distressed look in different ways, so just stay tuned. Per usual, I will be using my Shine and Jam Extra Hold. This is my favorite because I love the scent. I used to use the argan oil. I still do use it, but I rather use the Shine and Jam. So basically, I'll just be retwisting my hair, but also showing you guys how to get the really messy distressed look. In my previous video I did before this one on how I did my hair from start to finish, I did show you guys what hair I used. But if you guys didn't see that video, I will link it down below. I'll just put the name if I can't find it on Amazon because I did get it from my local beauty supply. And I just cut it in half since my hair is bob length. And I'm going to be splitting it up. So I didn't do crochet this time. I basically just placed the hair on my existing lock, if that makes any sense, and then start twisting around. Since I'm retwisting, I want my roots to be really tight, but then once I get an inch, at least an inch away from my roots, then I'm gonna start wrapping really loosely. So if you want that curve pattern on your lock, you have to make sure that your lock is really loose. As you guys can see, it did get a little thicker because I did not wrap it too tight. So that's all you want to do. Then I'm going to be making a knot. I didn't use any glue in my hair. So once I make the knot, I'm just going to keep wrapping. And this is what it looks like. It's a bit thick, so I'm going to cut it a little bit and start wrapping again. So I'm going to be repeating the same steps. I'm going to add some jam to my roots and I'm going to split the hair open so it gets more fluffier and start wrapping. I'm going to split it open to make it fluffier. Make sure your roots are tight, are super tight. Well, I like my hair super tight so it can last longer, and I don't like when my edges is out too much, if that makes any sense. So I wrap it really tight in the root and then start wrapping loosely. I just love this look. Like, I never did my hair like this before. I always do it with the passion twist hair. So this is a bit different and I just love how it came out. Okay, so see how straight this lock is? For some reason this lock never came out curly. So I'm going to show you guys the difference. So you guys see how curly this came out, but the bottom is still straight, so I'm gonna wrap another piece around it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Mwah.